All right, so here we are in day 2. If you made it through day 1, you should be so proud of yourself because believe it or not, most people quit on day 2. Not because it's difficult, because it's different. And believe it or not, within the first 24 hours, your body is already responding and starting to adjust. So I just want you to know if your body feels a little off, that's completely normal. Just keep going. Your body's actually coming out of survival mode and it's actually learning how to use food as fuel and energy. And if we're just meeting for the first time, my name is Melissa with Healthy Days. All I want you to do to start the 30-day meal plan with us, you need to go back and watch these videos first, and then you'll get caught up. All right, so for the rest of us, let's get into what we're eating today. Day 2, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So for breakfast today, oh my goodness, if you got the digital guide, how delicious was this to put together? I did the 2 eggs, the sautéed kale, a little pink Himalayan salt, extra virgin olive oil, and you can see there on the side, we have the healthy fat of the half or a quarter of avocado. I always put a lemon with my meals, squeeze it over the top, or just put it as garnish. But to me, it just makes it all come together so beautifully. What happens when you start your morning with healthy fats and protein is you actually have more stabilized blood sugar levels for the entire morning. You're not going to have a mid-morning crash. I'm so excited for you to get on board with this. Start making these healthy fats, high protein, fiber-rich, antioxidant breakfast with us. Moving right along to lunch. Again, look at how beautiful this plate is. I just think after you start to get intentional and start to prepare these meals, you're cognitively going to look at food so much differently. You're going to look at it as fuel. So we have our ground turkey that I did up in the air fryer. And of course, I have an air fryer video for that. We have our quinoa. This quinoa is actually, and I know the other day I was saying quinoa. Everybody corrects me. It's quinoa. But you have your quinoa and the pico de gallo garnished on top. And then I sauteed up the purple cabbage, a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. And again, we're going to garnish with that lemon. I'm going to take that lemon and I'm going to squeeze it all over the top there. But look at this. That is a lot of food that we get to have. And as we're fueling our body with this delicious, clean, healthy ingredients, it's actually going to go to work at repairing our metabolism. And by putting this much food into our body, we are not starving ourselves and we are actually going to get the weight loss results that we've been looking for. And finally, for dinner, how cute is this? This is an absolutely delicious bowl of lean chicken breast, sauteed kale, sauteed broccoli, and bone broth. We add in the seasonings of turmeric, ground ginger, garlic powder, a little bit of extra virgin olive oil for the sauteing, and of course the lemon garnish. But let me tell you what this is going to do. Once you prepare this and put it in the bowl, and then you submerge it in the bone broth, that bone broth goes to work at rebuilding, restoring, repairing that muscle, and you are going to notice such a difference in your strength. If you're adding in strength training at all, this little power bowl, it looks like it's small and isn't going to be enough food. But remember, it's about intentional ingredients. 30-day reset is all about intentional ingredients. So as you're preparing these meals and while you're putting all of this together, what you're going to be noticing is you're going to start to create micro habits, and you're going to cognitively and neurologically start to make note of what the healthy ingredients are. And that's what I want to be happening. I want you to start reaching for that turmeric and sprinkle it over your food. I want you to start reaching for that ground ginger, sprinkle it into your food. And these meals that we're going to do for the next 30 days, it does all of that. And you are taking note subconsciously. You are making note of it. And that's what's going to create the long-term micro habit for you. So there it is, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And I just want to check in with you for a moment. I know some of you might be thinking, is this actually going to work for me this time? I mean, I've tried every fad diet. Is this one actually going to stick? And let me tell you why it's different and why it's going to stick. I'm not having you cut anything out. I'm not having you be so restrictive. I am having you focus on psychologically and mentally on the right foods to be intentionally putting in. There's such a difference when you're trying to deprive or restrict yourself as opposed to when you actually are thinking about cognitively. There's such a psychological component that goes along with weight loss, and that's where the yo-yoing comes in. So this 30-day meal plan is going to eliminate all of that for you. So make sure, if you haven't already, grab the digital guide. It's fine that you're following along on here, but it's going to make this so much easier to grab the digital guide, so that you know the shopping lists and you know all the measurements and all of that, because I can show you each day what we're eating. You can mimic it, and that's fine. You're going to get great results. But like I said, like I've been saying all along, there's something to be said for tangibly having it on your phone, being able to go over it, and being prepared for the next day. So you've officially completed day 2, and this is where the momentum starts building. You're proving to yourself that you can show up, you can do this, and you can stick with it. Tomorrow, we're going to build on even more, so make sure you show up for day 3. And make sure, if you are following through with this, to leave a comment. I want to get this community growing. I want us to all be chattering about this and talking with one another, bouncing ideas off of each other, sharing with, how we're feeling. Is that bloating going down? Are you less hungry? Are your cravings, subsiding? Just make sure that you leave a comment down below. Let me know who you are, where you're from, and how this is going for you. So that'll do it for day 2. If you would please share this meal plan with friends and family, share my channel, get everybody on board with this. But for now, just focus on today, stack this win, and I will see you tomorrow in day 3.